Hi, I'm Ginny with Sharp. Today I'm going to be showing you your basic copying functions. So, just to make a basic copy, when you go to your home screen, you're just going to touch copy. It is as easy as when you see the light go in, you're on the feeder. It's as easy as how many do I want and start. If you ask for 5 and you need 6, you can just quickly hit the C button near the keypad and it clears the quantity. If you want to clear everything, CA will clear all. Do I want to make a black and white color, a copy, or a color copy? FYI on the color. Say that I have a mixture. I have some pages color, some pages are black and white. The copier is smart enough, if I do want those copies to be color, when you touch the color start button, it puts just the color copies on the color meter and the black and white on the black and white meter. So you don't have to say, oh, these are all black and white, these are all color. Also, under original, it detects the size. The reason I show you that is it shows you what drawer it's going to highlight. If I have an 11 by 17 in the feeder, it actually switches to that drawer. So it knows which drawer to choose. Right below that is your paper select. You can, if you don't want the drawer that's highlighted, you can touch another drawer. It also shows gasoline tanks of how much paper's in each drawer. More lines, more paper. The next one is your double-sided. If I want to make double-sided copies, basically, what am I starting with? What do I want to come out? So the first one says I'm starting with one-sided and I want to create two-sided copies. Next one's I'm starting with two-sided. I like to keep it two-sided. The third one is I'm starting with something that's two-sided, but I want to go back to one-sided. Then you have your reduction enlargement. You have your presets. These are good for, hey, I've got 11 by 17. How do I know to go to letter? We're telling you, you might want to start at 64%. You can just touch the white box and key it in, if you prefer, or you have your plus or your minus. Right below that is your exposure. That's your darker, lighter, or if you want to tell specific, hey, I'm doing a map, or I'm doing printed, or just a photo to enhance it. The last one is stapling. Now, it automatically sorts, it does sets, but if I'd like to staple, I'm just going to touch staple sort, and you have 3 options. You can corner staple, 2-point staple, which is 50 pages, depending on your finisher. You have something called stapleless staple. Stapleless staple is kind of a new feature, and it's actually really a great feature that you almost have to see. It actually crimps the document together. It physically does not use a staple. This particular unit does up to 8 pages. So if you're only doing a couple pages, don't waste a staple. You have the ability to do the stapleless staple. And it's great for maybe if you're going to be shredding later. You don't have to worry about a staple. And it'll actually hold it together. So it's actually just a crimp.